Renisha McBride's family is frustrated with the High Court's decision, which could mean less time in prison for Theodore Wafer. That will be decided when he's resentenced here at the Frank Murphy Hall of Justice. Theodore Wafer, the man who shot and killed Renisha McBride in 2013 as she sought help after crashing her car, will get a new sentencing hearing. That decision came down from the state Supreme Court Wednesday.
And this was a question of whether Mr. Wafer's double jeopardy rights were violated by being convicted of two things, the second-degree murder and the involuntary manslaughter, based on one act.
The state Supreme Court says they were and threw out Wafer's manslaughter conviction, which means he could end up spending less time in prison. Jessica Zimbelman is a managing attorney with the State Appellate Defender Office, which represented Wafer.
We anticipate that Mr. Wafer will continue, he will receive a prison sentence, although it will most likely be lower than what he's currently serving for, for the two convictions combined.
The manslaughter conviction increased the amount of time Wafer would spend in prison. Wafer is serving a 15 to 30-year sentence for killing McBride. Now, in light of the Supreme Court's decision, he could be resentenced to anywhere from 12 to 20 years in prison.
Our daughter can't walk around anymore. She can't talk, she can't breathe, she can't enjoy her family. What makes them think that he should be able to be out to enjoy his?
We spoke with Monica McBride and Walter Simmons, Renisha's parents.
I don't believe that he got enough time, to me, for the murder of our daughter. I just hope the judge does not reduce any of the time that he received.
And that's what the Wayne County Prosecutor's Office will push for. Ted Wafer was sentenced to 15 to 30 years for second-degree murder. Spokeswoman Maria Miller said in a statement, Prosecutor Worthy believes the same 15 to 30-year sentence is appropriate and is what we will argue for at the resentencing hearing. The State Appellate Defender's Office says that Ted Wafer's resentencing hearing will likely take place a few months from now. Renisha McBride's parents say they will be in court for it. In Detroit, I'm Randy Wembley, and this is The Edge.